In Haitian Creole, oui can mean more than just yes, and no can mean more than just no. You can use oui or no at the end of a sentence to add more emotion or to stress what you're saying. Now, doing this is much easier than it seems. The key is how you say it and your tone of voice. Be as natural as you can. Let us begin with oui. The first way to use oui is to stress that something is recommended or should be done. For example, consider the Kreyòl phrase "fais ça," which means do this. Well, you can use oui at the end to stress that this should be done. But of course, you should strive to be natural. So instead of saying "fais ça oui," say "fais ça oui." Likewise, you can say "prends ça oui" to stress you should take this, or "mangez bien oui" to say you should eat well. The second way to use oui is to stress that you agree with or like something. Consider the Kreyòl phrase "li belle," which can mean it's pretty. Use oui at the end to stress that it's really pretty by saying "li belle oui." Likewise, you can say "mwen content oui" to stress I'm really happy. And you can say "machine ça vite oui" to stress this car is really fast. And now let us find out how to use no to stress something. Use no to stress an urgent command. And now once again, let us consider the Kreyòl phrase "fais ça," which means do this. Use no at the end to stress urgency. Of course, use the right tone of voice and be natural. So instead of saying "fais ça non," say "fais ça non" to stress do this. Likewise, you can say "allez non" to stress go. Or you can say "suspend non" to stress stop. The second way to use no is to stress that you dislike or disagree with something. You can do this when you use the word pas in a statement. The word pas in Creole means don't or not. And then you can use the word no to stress that disagreement. Now consider the Kreyòl phrase "li pa la," which can mean it's not here. The word pas already indicates what we're looking for is not here. To stress that even further, use no at the end by saying "li pa la no." Likewise, you can say "pa gen la pli no" to stress there is no rain. And you can say "li pa bon no" to stress it's not good. No. And so on. And that's it. This is how you use oui or no to stress what you're saying. For more lessons like this, please visit howtocreole.com and subscribe. Thanks for watching.